Welcome to the picturesque town of Colmar, where time seems to stand still, and the historical houses lining the cobblestone streets transport you to a bygone era. Nestled in the heart of the Alsace region in northeastern France, Colmar is a town that exudes charm and character at every corner. But it's the historical houses, with their half-timbered facades and flower-filled window boxes, that steal the spotlight and capture the essence of this enchanting place. As you stroll through the winding streets of Colmar, you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The historical houses, some dating back to the Middle Ages, showcase exquisite craftsmanship and a dedication to preserving tradition. Can you imagine the hands that meticulously carved the wooden beams and adorned them with intricate designs? Each historical house tells its own unique story. The Maison des Tatas, adorned with sculpted heads, stands as a testament to the artistry of the Renaissance era. The Maison Pfister, with its ornate balconies and frescoed facade, is a living canvas that speaks of the town's rich history. And then there's the Maison des Marchands, where merchants once plied their trade under the watchful gaze of the statue of Saint Martin. The streets of Colmar, lined with these historical houses, offer a visual feast that changes with the seasons. In spring and summer, colorful flowers spill from window boxes and spill over onto the cobblestones, creating a symphony of hues. In winter, when the town is blanketed in snow, the houses take on a cozy fairy tale charm. But Colmar is more than just a museum of historical houses. It's a living, breathing town where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The bustling markets, where locals and visitors alike gather to savor the region's culinary delights, are a testament to the town's vibrant culture. You'll find yourself sipping Alsatian wines, indulging in flaky pastries, and exploring the rich tapestry of flavors that define the region. As you wander through Colmar's historical streets, you can't help but feel a connection to the generations who have called this place home. It's a reminder that history is not something confined to textbooks, but is woven into the very fabric of our lives. Colmar's historical houses are not merely relics of the past. They are a living testament to the enduring beauty of tradition and craftsmanship. As you depart this charming town, let the spirit of Colmar's historical houses inspire you to appreciate the artistry and history that surrounds us in our everyday lives. Just as the town has preserved its heritage, what steps will you take to preserve and celebrate the traditions that matter to you? Your journey, like Colmar's historical houses, is a part of the ever-evolving tapestry of time. What mark will you leave on it?